Cool. So I'm making as many videos as I can today, but this is day number 19, technically, of our 21-day lead generation initiative. And yesterday we talked about how crucial traffic is when it comes to your lead generation campaign, right? We've talked about a lot of different things, but the last couple of videos we're going to focus on rounding it all up and just providing you with some additional tips and tactics that's obviously going to, just amplify your campaign. So we talked about why traffic is crucial. We talked about intent-driven traffic versus the traffic where you actually have to create the intent. Search engines versus social, Google versus Facebook. Now today I want to talk about conversion rate optimization. Okay, so guys, if you're a business owner or a marketing manager and you've got a website and you're driving traffic to the site, just Google conversion rate optimization and try and get an understanding of what it means. But in layman's terms, what it means is you're making tweaks to your site that is allowing you to convert more people, increasing the rate of conversions, basically. That's what it comes down to. So the average website has a conversion rate of about 1%. That means that 1 out of 100 people ends up becoming a lead or ends up buying a product. Okay? Now, that is what we call an industry benchmark, and all the different industries have different benchmarks, right? So you can maybe just Google it and see what yours are on your site. But let's, for example, say your benchmark is 1%, and you start driving traffic through Google Ads and social media or Facebook, whatever. It's important to use your Google Analytics to try and get an understanding of what your conversion rate is. Okay, so it's crucial to understand how many people come to your site and how many of them actually convert into leads. Okay, because that's what's going to allow you to start optimizing your conversion rate optimization. Okay, so there's so many tactics out there essentially that can help you increase the number of your conversions in perspective of 100. So for example, copy. We've seen that changing your words, making it a bit more appealing, making it more attractive, font sizes, empty space, like colorful, self-explanatory banners, all these things essentially, like putting your contact number at the top of your website just to prove that there's someone to phone if they have questions, having your email address there as well, having a clear shipping policy somewhere visible, having credible icons like Trusted with McAfee and what did I say that right? I don't even know. Like all these security solutions, secure logos, that means your site is secure, that boosts credibility again. Maybe testimonials, reviews of what customers have been saying about your product or service, essentially. Like all these things can help you boost the number of conversions in perspective of 100, which is your conversion rate. So if your industry has got a 1% conversion rate, you need to focus on, if you're driving 5,000 people to your site, it should mean that you're getting about 50 leads. And if you're not, you need to make tweaks to the specific landing page of yours or the specific website of yours in order to get to that number of conversions. Okay, if you're not getting 50 out of 5,000, and you're getting 30, you need to go look at what you're doing wrong. It could be the quality of the traffic that you're driving that's not good enough. So it's about putting more negative keywords into your Google ads. It's about maybe improving the targeting of your social ads. It's about making tweaks on your landing page, the copy, putting all those elements in place, what I just discussed when it comes to your website tweaks and hacks and I think that is what you need to focus on. After traffic comes conversion rate. So we need the traffic, because without the traffic we're not going to be able to convert people into leads, but after that it's about converting this traffic into leads and finding a benchmark, working towards a goal, and then seeing how you can keep improving that. Like we have conversion pages that's sitting with 56% conversion rate, but it started at 25. So this is now specifically for the lead magnet. So we'll drive people to the squeeze page where we offer the free ebook. And we started at like 15%, 25%, gone to 36. We're sitting at 56%. What that means is we're paying less for someone to join our database and someone to get to understand and to be educated about our product or service. So traffic crucial, conversion rate is obviously just as important, but you can't improve your conversion rates without the traffic. Just wanted to share that with you guys today. Conversion rate optimization, very important. All the best and have a good one.